Hello again, do-it-yourselfers. Terry Peterman, the Internet Electrician, and on this video on Terry's Tool Tips, we're going to talk about a fish tape and how to bend a proper hook on one. Stay tuned. Welcome back. So if you know what a fish tape is, it's a tool for pulling in wires into a conduit network, be it EMT, PVC, rigid steel, whatever. You've got the conduit all ran perfectly, of course. Now you need to pull the wires in. So you shove your fish tape in one end, hook your wires onto this hook, and drag them back through after you tape off your hook when you've connected the wires to it, of course. So you'll notice this is a factory end. I'll give you a good close-up shot with the GoPro view. And you can see how it's got a nice smooth edge here. You can do the Band-Aid test where you run your finger across it, and if it doesn't catch, then that means it's not going to catch in a coupling or anything. Now the problem is when people break this off and they don't bend a proper hook on. Let me show you how that works. Alright, so you've broke your fish tape hook for whatever reason, and somebody's made a horrible mess like this. Not good. As you can see, what I call that Band-Aid test. If you run your finger over here, you're going to rip a hole in your finger and need a Band-Aid. So no good. You also want to maintain your fish tape. So you see all these bends. That's not good, because all those can create a whole bunch of friction inside the pipe and cause you to not be able to push that fish tape near as far as you'd like to. Also, you want to lightly oil your fish tape. It'll make it slide through the conduit so much better. So, what we want to do is go back to where we've got good metal, and let's just break it and make a new hook. So we want to fold it right in half, bending like that. Take your plier, pinch it, and it breaks. Now you see you've got your nice little bent over hook here. So now what you want to do is go back 2 or 3 inches, bend a little offset in your fish tape. A little bit of offset out. A little bit of offset back. You want to adjust that, make it a little more pronounced. Out and back. Now go to about the halfway point. A little bit at a time. Now bend it again. Now you see, you got a nice smooth, so you can hook your wires into here, tape this joint with electrical tape, and your fish tape will never get caught on a coupling when you pull the wires back through. So there you get a pretty much perfectly bent offset hook in your fish tape. There you have it, perfectly formed factory hook. Compare the difference, and when you roll it back in, right back into the hole. So that's it for another one of Terry's tool tips. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, make some comments below if you've ever seen a poorly done aftermarket bend on a fish tape, or if you've actually cut your finger doing the Band-Aid test. Terry Peterman, your internet electrician. Until next time.